How to find out your Instagram password? To find it out, you have to reset your password. For that, first of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. Once you check that, launch your Instagram application and hit on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, on the top right, you will see three lines. Select that and go to the setting and privacy, and at last you will see logout option. Simply hit on that. From here, select log into another account, add your username or email address. Once you do that, simply hit on the continue and a verification code will be sent to your mail. Once you hit that, you will be asked to reset your password and change a new password. Once you do that, you will get to know your password. In this way, you can easily find out your Instagram password. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.